శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Dear students, good morning. Welcome to Python programming. In this session, we will see reading and writing to text files in Python. Okay, working with text files in Python. This session is for working with text files in Python. Python provides inbuilt functions for creating and writing and reading files. Okay, Python, one of the feature of the Python is a function oriented language. C is a function oriented language. Like that, Python is also a function oriented programming language. Everywhere it is functions is there. Python is also has number of inbuilt functions. What are the examples of the functions? In C, main is a function, printf is a function, scanf is a function. C is a function oriented programming language. Like that, Python is also a function oriented programming language. Python has not only function, it is a scripting language. Like that, number of features is there. Okay, it is a general purpose programming language. Like that, one of the feature is Python is also have a function oriented language. Python has a number of functions to work with files. Python provides inbuilt functions for creating and writing and reading files. Okay, what are the various functions, how to perform various operations on the files? In this session we will see. There are mainly two types of files that can handle in Python. Python has mainly two types of files. They are, first one, text files, second one, binary files. Okay, Python has mainly two types of files, text files and binary files. Remember these words. Python has mainly two types of files. They are text files and binary files. Text files means some text characters are there. Yes or I, like that, words. Okay, ASCII characters are there. Okay, in text file ASCII characters are there. Okay, in text file one of the property is the last character in every line is end of line character. In a text file, the last character in every line is end of line character. Binary file, second type of file is binary file. Binary file means, suppose I want to store image. The image can be stored internally in a system in terms of zeros and ones. Image can be stored in a system in terms of zeros and ones, or some video file. Okay, those files are called binary files. Okay, data can be stored in terms of zeros and ones. Okay, text files and binary files. Text files are there in ASCII characters, it is stored. Last character in the ASCII character file is, text file is /n character. In binary files, the information is stored in terms of zeros and ones. Okay, images are stored in zeros and ones, videos are stored in terms of zeros and ones. Like that, binary files. Okay, mainly number of formats is there. In Python has concerned with mainly two types. They are text files and binary files. Text files has characters and binary files has zeros and ones. Okay, these are the two types of files. Okay, next, file access modes. File access modes. Okay, how to access the file within from the Python program. I want to write one Python program. That program have to access the file. Okay, different modes are there. Okay, file access modes. Okay, now I will say 6 modes are there. Okay, I will say what are these 6 modes. First, read mode. Just I will explain later. First, what are the modes? 6 modes are there. In Python there are 6 types of file handle modes. What are they? R plus. First one is R. Second one is R plus. Next one, W plus. W plus. W means write mode. W plus means write plus mode. Okay, W plus mode. Next, append mode, append and read mode. Okay, these are the 6 modes. Once again, in Python 6 types of modes are there. First one, read mode. Read mode, it can be specified using the word R. Next, read write mode. Second method is read and write mode. Just R, remember these words: read R, write W, append A. What are the 3 modes? R plus, W plus, A plus. 6 modes. First R is called read only mode. Second R plus is called read and write mode. Okay, W calls write only mode. W plus modes. W plus means write and read mode. A means append mode. A plus means read and write. It is also like that only, append and read mode. Okay, some small differences is there. First one, read mode. We will see about read mode. Read only mode. First mode is read only mode. Open text file for reading. The handle is positioned at the beginning of the file. If the file does not exist, raises IO error. This is also the default mode in which file is opened. Okay, the first mode is read mode. In read mode, if the file is not exist, the default mode in which the file is opened, if we are not specify any mode, it will be opened in read mode. Okay, the file is in that word only, the meaning is there. Read only, the file is opened for read only. It is not possible to write any content onto the file. The file handle, whenever the file is opened, we will create one file handler. The file handler is positioned at the beginning of the file. If the file does not exist, suppose I want to open a file, that file is not exist, then it raises an error called IO error. Okay, this is also the default mode in which file is opened. This is about read mode or read only mode. Okay, once again, read mode, the open text file for reading purpose. Read only mode is for open text file for reading purpose. The file handle, whenever we are created and open a file, means one file handle we will create. The handle means the file handle is positioned at the beginning of the file. If the file does not exist, then raises IO error. This is also the default mode in which the file is opened. This is about read only mode. Next, second mode, read and write mode. Okay, read and write mode. Open the file for reading. In that word only some meaning is there. R plus. Read and write mode. The code word is R plus. Okay, open the file for reading and writing. For in this mode, handle, the file handle is positioned at the beginning of the file. If the file does not exist, it will rise. Suppose we want to open a file in read plus mode. Okay, if suppose that file is not existed, then it will rise IO error, input output error. Next one, write mode. Open the file for writing. For the existing file, if the data is truncated and overwritten, already one file is there. Suppose mbr.txt, one file is there. Okay, on that file already some data is there. If I am open that file in write mode, all the data will be deleted. The file is the file handler. The file handle, what is handle? Handle is nothing but where we have to write the data. The handle is positioned at the beginning of the file. Creates the file if the file does not exist. Okay, if the suppose in read and write mode, if the file does not exist, then it will raise an IO error. If the file does not exist in write mode, means it will create the file. Next, write and read mode. Open the file for reading and writing. For existing file, data is truncated and overwritten. The handle is positioned at the beginning of the file. Just this is for open this file for reading also possible. We can move from the starting location, ending location and middle of the location if it is opened like this. Okay, for existing file, data is truncated. What is the meaning of the data is truncated? Data is truncated. Data is truncated means if we open that file in W plus mode, means okay, all the data on that file will be deleted. Okay, newly whatever the data now onwards we are inserted, that will be there. Okay, Suppose that file contains some data, 3 paragraphs of data. If it is opened in W mode, W plus or W mode, the data will be truncated. What is the meaning of the truncated? All the data on that file will be deleted. Okay, whatever next onwards, now onwards, whatever we write onto the file, the data will be there. Okay, data is truncated means existing data on that file will be deleted. Okay, write mode. Now my requirement is like this, that file contains 1-2 paragraphs of information. I want to add third paragraph. If I open in W plus mode, W or W plus mode, write only mode or write and read mode, data will be truncated, data will be deleted. Now my requirement is I want to add some third paragraph to that file. Then what I have to do? I have to open that file in append mode. Okay, next mode is append mode. Append mode is used for writing purpose. Append. The word is there. Within that there is only word append. Append means add the data at the end of the file. Okay, if we open the file in append mode, A. Open the file in append mode. Open file for writing data only. Open the file for writing. The file is created. If it does not exist, the handle is positioned at the end of the file. If the file is created, if the file is not existed, it will be created. The file handle is positioned at the end of the file. The data being written will be inserted at the end after the existing data. Okay. The third after the second paragraph, the third paragraph can be created. Okay, append and read, A plus mode. Okay, in A plus mode, open the file for reading and writing. In A plus mode, open the file for reading and writing. The file is created if it does not exist. The file is created if it does not exist. Okay, next one, the handle is positioned at the end of the file. The data is being written will be inserted at the end after the existing data. Once again, append and read. Open the file for reading and writing. The file is created. If it does not exist, the handle is positioned at the end of the file. The data is being written will be inserted at the end. Just append means the data will be inserted at the end after the existing data. These are the file handling modes. Okay, these are the file handling modes in Python. Okay, till now, just within review, what we have covered in this one up to now. This is concerned with working with text files in Python. This session is concerned with working with text files in Python. Two types of files are there. First one, text file and binary files. Text files means some ASCII character, A, B, C, D, Srinivas, like that data is there. Binary files means the data is in terms of zeros and ones for images, some videos like that. Okay, there are 6 types of file handle modes. It is not difficult, very easy. Okay, read, write, append. Remember these 3 terms: read, write, append. Next, read means R, write means W, append means A. Read means read only, read and write. Write means write only, write and read. Next, append means append only, append and read. Okay. In read, if the file is opened in read mode, okay, the one of the main difference among all those are, if the file is opened, if the file is opened in read mode, the file is not existed, then it will raise IO error. If the file is opened in write only mode or append mode, if the file does not exist, then it will create a file. Okay. Okay, if we open in write mode means all the data will be truncated, W or W plus. Append mode means the file handler is at the end of the position. Okay, after completion of this class, this file is available in our department shared folder of the materials. Go to the shared folder of the materials. Okay, this file is available. Now, whatever the Word file we are seeing here, I am uploading this one. Okay, working with the name of the file is string and text files. In this one, it is there. Okay, next one. This is about file handling modes. Very important one in this unit. Second unit. What are the various file handling modes? Means you have to write these 6 modes. Okay. Next. how to open the file. Okay, now in this session we will see various programs how to open the file, opening of a file. Opening of the file can be done using open function. Okay, at the time of doing programs we will see in detail. Okay, in the given file, in the notes, the detailed information is there, go through it. Okay, in order to open a file we will use the function. Okay, I will say outlines. At the time of doing programs we will explain in detail. In order to open a file we will use the function open function. Okay, open function creates file handler. Okay, open function creates file handler. Next, how to close the file. Using the close function we can close a file. Open file, using open function we can open a file. Using close function we have to close a file. After the usage is completed, it is a good habit to close the file handler. Okay, two functions: open a file using open function, close a file using closing a function. Next, writing data to a file. Writing data to a file. How to write data to a file? Using write function. For opening open, for closing close, for writing data onto the file we will use write function. Okay, in this session only we will do some programs, we will see. I want to write 5 lines, not one line. I want to write 5 lines. Okay, for that we will use the function write lines. The write lines function is used to write number of lines onto the file. Okay, we will see. Next, read. Reading data from the file. Reading the data from the file can be done using read function. Okay, using read function we will read data from a line. Okay, using read line function we will read a single line from a file. Using read lines function we will read the number of lines from that function. Read line, read function is there, read line function is there, read lines function is there. Read all the lines, read lines function returns all the lines. Read line function, the file returns from the string to specified string to reads at most n bytes. How many number of bytes we have to specify, that many number of bytes will be read. Okay, this is about reading and writing to the files. Okay, these are the file handle functions in Python. Okay, once again, what are the functions? Very easy concept. Okay, the functions in Python are open a file, for which function we will use open. For close a file, which function we will use close function. For in order to read a file, data from a file, which function we will use? Two functions, read lines. In order to write data onto the file, which function we will use? Write line, write lines. Three functions is there: write function, write lines, write line and write lines. Okay, reading and writing. Okay, okay, this is the like this. In the material, syntax and semantics is there. Now we will do some programs. How to do these programs we will see. Now we will see various programs on Python working with files in this session. It is very easy. Okay, this is the first time in my system I am doing working with files program. From the starting I will create a folder, some file, my files. Okay, on that one I will do all these files. Okay, next one, first one we have to do is, what we have to do first, I am going to the folder, our programs folder. Our programs folder is available in D drive. In D drive, CSC sum21, CSC21 Python is there. In this folder I am creating some new folder, work underscore files. Okay, I have created one folder work underscore files. In this one I will do all my programs. New item, text document. Okay, edit with notepad plus plus. Okay, in this one I will do my Python programs. All these are the files. The first thing we have to do, what we have to do, first one, we have to save the file. File, save as, what is this, what is the name of this file? My file 1 dot extension of the Python program is .py. My file, what is the type of the file? Python. Okay, my file 1 dot py. Okay, first one I have to create file handler. Okay, file handler I will create like this. File 1. The name of the file handler is file 1. Okay, the function to open a file is open. Okay, first one we have to specify the name of the file. Okay, mvrcsc. The name of the file is mvrcsc.txt. Okay, now I am opening this file in A plus mode. Okay, most of the time we will use A plus mode only, because if it is not exist, it will create a file and appends at the last of the file. Using this syntax, using this one, I will create a file mvrcsc.txt. In which folder? In this folder only, in the current folder only. Work files folder only, one file will be created. Okay, I am deleting this one. Work files one, in this only one file will be created. The name of the file is mvrcsc.txt in append A plus mode. Okay, next I want to write some data onto the file. Okay, I want to write some data onto the file. How I will write the data onto the file? File 1 dot write function is used to write data onto the file. What I will write here? Some mvr college my first program on file. Okay, file 1 dot to write mvr college, my first program on files. Okay, next after writing I am closing the file. How to close the file? File 1 dot close. Okay, three lines of code only. Okay, first one I have opened the file. Next I am writing some data onto the file. I am closing that file. Okay, just I am saved. Now we will compile and run this program. Okay, we will run this program. Go to the command prompt cmd. Okay, in D drive it is there. What is the location of the file? D drive. What is the name of the folder? cd csc21 python. In this one, the location of our today program files are work files. Work files means we are doing work on files. That way I am created the name work files. Okay, you will create your name files. csc21 files, like that you will create your own. csc30, your roll number is 33 means csc33 files. Okay, next one here I want to run this file. Is it there or not? I will say just dir. Dir it list all the available files. Okay, it is there. My file 1.py. Okay, now we will see here in this folder only one file is there. What is the name of the file? My file 1, which is a Python file. After running this program, it will create another file mvrcsc.txt in a plus mode, append mode. Okay. Now we will run this program. We will check whether it is created or not. We will see live whether work files it will creating or not. Okay, only one file is there. Just I am also minimizing this one. Okay, where is this file? Work files, it is here. Okay, both of them we are seeing in work files folder. Only one file is there. Now I am running this one. How to run this one? Python. What is the name of the file? My file1.py. Now I am running this one. What I am expecting? Which file it will be created? It have to create mvrcsc.txt. It have to create the file mvrcsc.txt. Okay, whenever I am pressing the enter, okay, observe here in this one mvrcsc.txt is there. Okay, it is recently created. I am not created here. This Python file, my file1.py file created mvrcsc.txt. What are the contents of this file? MVR college, my first PROG on files. Okay, very good. Okay, in this way we can create a file. Okay, file can be created using like this. Suppose I want to create a file like this. This is the first program, just different versions I am saving. Save as my file 2. Suppose I am opening read mode. Okay, in read mode I am opening mvrcsc1.txt. Open a file. We are opening a file in read mode. But what operation we are performing? Write. Is it allowed or not? Not allowed. We are opening the file for reading purpose. But we are performing the operation here write purpose. Is it allowed or not? Not allowed. Okay, if the file is like this means if we want to run this one, what it will generate? MVR, my file, what is the name of the file? My file2.py. Okay, here see the file not found error. No such file. You are trying to open a file, but that file is not found. Okay, this is the mistake. File IO error. This type of error is called IO error. Input output error. File not found error. No such file or directory mvrcsc1.txt. Just it is saying that you are trying to open mvrcsc1.txt file. Actually, that file is not available as of now. Okay. Suppose this file is available. mvrcsc.txt file is available. Okay, see here. It is available mvrcsc. Now I am opening that file in read mode, but performing write operation. What type of error will come here? Just save the file. Save. Okay, here see unsupported operation, not writable. Why not writable? Because it is opened in read mode, not write or append mode. So that's why it is created error like this. The file it is not writable. IO dot unsupported operation. Okay. Next one, I am opening this file in write mode. Already that file is there. Okay, just I am deleting this file. Save as my file 3. Okay, here I will type here anything can be returned except time. Okay, anything can be returned except time. anything can be written except time. Some message is there. Already this file is there in this one. What is the message in this one? MVRCSC, my college first program. Now we will see what will happen if we are trying to do this one. I am closing this one. Just I am running. What is the name of this file? The name of this file is my file 3. My file 3. Now I will run this one. My file 3 .py. Now we will open and see what are the contents of this file. MVRCSC. Anything can be written. My first programming that can be truncated. Truncated means that will be deleted. Okay, that will be deleted. New one can be added. Okay, if we are opening a file in W mode, suppose I am opening the file in W mode means all the data on that file will be deleted. New data will be created. Suppose I am created mvrcsc1.txt file. Actually, this file is not there. In write mode, I am opening this one. My file 3. Suppose I am running this one. Okay, in such a situations, suppose file is not there means it will create a new file. Okay, read mode means if file is not there means it will show error. If in write mode means if the file is there means it will open. Otherwise, it will create a new file. Okay, this is about write mode. Next, append mode. Already this data is there. I am opening append plus mode, a plus mode. Just I am writing some lines. Already the data is there. Anything cannot be written except this file. Okay, in this file I am doing work. Already some data is there in this file. Okay, now I am opening that file in append mode plus mode. I am writing CSC. Next, it is not only one line. You may write any number of lines. Here I will 1 MVR RAM. Okay, I have written 1 MVR RAM. In append mode, I am open. I have written CSC 1 MVR RAM. Okay, already this file is there. Some data is there. Then what will happen? What is the extension of this file? My file 3.py. CLS, clear the screen. Okay, before running this program, I am showing the contents of this file. The contents of this file is this one. Anything can be written except time. Now I am running this one. Okay, now we will opening this one. See, except time CSC1 MVR RAM. All of them are here. Okay, CSC1 MVR RAM. Okay, this data is appended. Appended means it is added at the end of this one. Okay, this is called append. Okay, in this fashion we can append the data at the end of the file. Okay, next one we will see. I am expecting this CSC1 MVR. I want line by line /n. In order to get data line by line, we will use the symbol /n. In like C language only, /n. Okay, this will be, once again I will run this program. /n, save. Okay, my file 3.py. Once again it is opened in append mode. Okay, after completion of the work we have to close this one. Write CSC1 MVR Ram Mohan. I will write here. Okay, CSC students STU. Okay, Control S, save the file. Now I am running this one. Just open. Okay, before running, once again I am showing number of times we have done this one. Just once again I am showing what are the contents of this file. What this program to mvrcsc1.txt is opened in append mode plus 1. What about this file? This is the file actually. Okay, now I am running once again the same program, my file 3 dot. Okay, now we will open. See, not side by side. CSCSTU 1 MVR. This came like this because slash n is there. Suppose once again I will run this program means. Okay, and now we will see. Appended at the end of this one, it is appended. CSCSTU 1 MVR Ram Mohan like this. If we will run multiple number of times, okay, 2, 3, 4. 4 times all the data is appended. If you open and see, okay, CSCSTU, MVR, CSUSTU, 1 MVR Ram Mohan like that, this data will be appended. Read mode, write mode, append mode. Last one, write lines method is there. Suppose STU equal to, it is list object. STU is a list. Srinivas, I will write like this. Srinivas, comma, next item, Sritan Sai. Okay, next item, Sai Kritik. Next item, last one, Shobha. Okay, 4 lines is there. STU is a list item which contains 4 lines. Now I want to add these to the file. Okay, in order to add multiple lines, we will use the command file handler file1 dot file1 dot write lines. We will use the method write lines. Okay, which lines we have to write? STU. Okay, I am deleting this file. Save as my file 4. Okay, I am deleting these lines. First one. File is opened, append plus mode, mvrcsc1.txt. Okay, this is the list item stu within the square brackets. File 1 dot write lines. It is used for writing multiple lines. Okay, save. Now I will run this one, my file 4.csc, my file 4.py. Okay, we will check whether these are appended or not. Okay, Srinivas. Okay, it's appended or not? Yes, Srinivas, Sritan, Sai, Sai Kritik, Shobha. 4 names is there. Now, not like this. I want the names appended to be at the next line, next line. Just here I want to keep slash n, slash n for next line. New line character. Slash n at the starting also I will keep here slash n. Save. Okay, not in this file, we will write in mvrcsc.txt. Save. Okay, what are the contents of the mvrcsc.txt? Anything can be written except time. Okay, now we want to run this one, my file 4.py. Now I am running my file 4.py. Okay, which file we have to see? mvrcsc.txt. Okay, mvrcsc.txt. Okay, Srinivas, Sritan, Sai, Sai, Kritik, Shobha. All the names are here. Suppose I want to give new name, not MVR here, CSC 501. The name of the file is CSC 501.txt. I am opened in append plus mode. Actually, the file is not there. Okay, if I am open in append a plus mode means it will create a new file CSC 501.txt, and after that all these list can be written onto that file. Okay, file I am writing, saving this one as save as my files file. Okay, now I am running this one. CLS clear the screen. Okay, now observe the output. window. Okay, now here we are running my file 5.py. Okay, it is not there. CSC 501. See, after running CSC 501 file is created. Okay, what are the contents of this file? Srinivas, Sritan, Sai Kriti. Why some gap here? Starting /n is there. That's why second line onwards the output will come. Okay, in this fashion I will create a open. Okay, this is about writing onto the files. Next session also we will see some more programs on the file. Okay, till now we have seen writing onto the file, write lines onto the file. Next session, next class we will also do some programs on the file. In that class we will read the data from the files. How to read the data from the files. Just in order to see the output, we are seeing here opening the file. In order to see the output, just we open that created file and seeing whether it is created or not. Now in Python program only it is possible to read that file. Okay, next session we will see how to perform those read operations on the file and Python program for reading and printing the data of your file. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.